Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be folding a butterfly. Just kidding, it's a bird. Yeah, this is the butterfly bird, that's what I'm going to call it. And yeah, here's how to fold it. Alright, so for this bird, I'm going to use this yellow sheet of paper. It's about, I think it's 6 inches? I'm not totally sure. Anyways, let's get folding. So first, let's fold into thirds, and how we'll do that is we'll go like this, and we'll just estimate until these points just touch each other. This sometimes takes a little while, but once you get it, you should know. And it's like that. And now you want to fold all the way across. This model came across when I was reading Robert Lang's Origami Design Secrets, and I discovered a cool base, so I thought I'd try it out, and here it is. Right now we're just folding this side. Alright, now unfold, and fold in half opposite from these creases. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the color orientation, like if I have to do it this side or this side right, but I don't know, both results are pretty good. Alright, so we just refolded these creases and make a fold from this point to this point. And this side too. And turn over and just fold these flaps to align with this crease, or this point should line up with this point. And same with this side. Alright, now turn over, yeah, and reverse fold this in, this crease that we made. So unfold and reverse fold, like that. So now the flap's nicely tucked inside. Same with this one, reverse fold it, and flatten. And now, yeah, turn over, and take this edge and fold to this edge. It's kind of hard to remember these models. Just up to, I guess, here. And then take this edge and fold to this edge. We're making a rabbit ear. Now, fold the two together, and you'll make a new crease from this point to the corner, the raw corner, and flatten it this way, I think, yeah. And do all of that on this side. Alright, there we go. Now let's take this edge and fold it to this crease. Alright, and same with this side, take this edge and fold it to this crease. We're basically forming a reverse fold in a couple steps. And then flatten. And then these should be the creases that we made. So, it's basically a reverse fold. And do the same on this side. Alright, and now let's open this up, and here we have our butterfly bird base. Alright, now this is where it gets a little harder. So take this edge and fold it to this crease, and unfold. Take this edge and fold it to this crease. Yeah, it won't lie flat here. Just fold under it and then unfold. That's fine. And then do the same here. Alright, now I'm gonna fold them both at the same time. And now, okay, we're gonna squash fold this so that the squash fold reaches the end of this point this won't. It'll just land here. And that will look weird, but that is what we want. Alright, now do the same over here. Alright, is that good? That's good, yeah. Okay, now I forget. Yeah, okay. Take this edge and fold it. Take this edge and fold to this edge. Okay, and then take this edge and fold to this edge. And reverse fold this like that. And let's pull this flap out. This will be the head. Let's reverse fold it up. And shorten the flaps. Let's shorten the flaps by mountain folding them inside. So there's one. We're just mountain folding along here. Alright, and there's two. Now let's reverse fold this. And that is the head. Okay, so yours may look a bit different than mine. I don't know, maybe not. But this should be colored, so let's pull this down. And yeah, it's colored. That was easy. And then just pull this down. So we're just playing with the layers. And are we done? Yeah, wow. Okay, we're done. So I hope you enjoyed folding that. And oh yeah, sorry. By the way, how you flap it is you hold here and then just pull right here, and your bird flaps. So I hope you enjoyed making that. Have fun folding, and see you later. Bye.